Hi all, let's see HTML images in this video. In HTML, images are embedded using image tag. This is a self-closing tag. That means, for example, when we create a paragraph tag, we have to provide end tag. But for image tag, just provide image. For closing this image, just provide a backward slash, then right angle tag. Then inside image element we have to provide source attribute. This source attribute is mandatory. We have to specify the path of the image, or you can also specify URL or file path of the image. Let's see. Here in our index.html file, just created an image tag. Inside src provided logo.png. This logo.png file residing in the same path of index.html file. See, let's check it in browser. See, our image displayed successfully. Now let's change file path of image. Let's create folder, images. Let's move this image into created folder. So now our logo is residing inside this images folder. For that we have to provide here images logo. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, still our image displayed successfully. If the image residing in same folder of HTML file means you can directly provide image file name along with extension. But if the image residing in another folder means you have to mention that folder name also, like this. Here inside this src we provided file name or file path. Instead of this we can also provide URL also, like this. So this image residing inside this website. Next, alternative attribute. By using this attribute we can provide description of the image. For some reasons such as slow network connection, server down, or server failed to load images in our web page means this description of the image will display to the user. Let's see. Let's add alternative attribute. Let's provide Google logo. It's a Google logo. Let's change file name. This file is not available in this folder. Let's go to browser and check. Let's refresh. See, our file is not available, so that the description of the image is displayed. Next, width and height attribute. By using this attribute we can control the size of the image, but the value of these attributes will be in pixels by default. Let's see. Let's remove this one. Let's add width attribute. Let's provide 300. It will take 300 pixels. Then height also 300. Let's say, let's go to browser and refresh. See, the size of the image changed. But you can also use style attribute to change the size of the image. Style, width. Here you can also provide in percentage or pixel. Let's provide 100 pixels. Height also 100 pixels. Let's save. Let's go to browser. Let's check. See. Next, title attribute. By using this attribute we can provide additional information of the image, but when the user mouse over to the image only, this information will display to the user. Let's see. Let's add title. Let's provide a Google logo. Let's go to browser. Let's refresh. See, additional information. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.